Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to apply the histogram in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, just select the data like I'm selecting this one, the table. After selecting, just click on insert and then click on this histogram which is on its charts group. After selecting histogram, any of these, your chart pops out to the screen and here the two tabs is active design and format. From design, you can change the chart style or you can change the chart color, you can change the chart layout or you can edit the elements and you can change the position of the stuffs in the. Also guys, you can change the background of this chart by in the format. You can change the shape of the style. You can change any color or you can change the outlines. Also you can guys add any effect. Okay, so what does this chart shows guys? Actually this graph shows from 0 to 4000. So this shows the total amount, the average amount, on sales on October, November and December. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.